Exodus is a crypto wallet that makes managing, swapping, and earning from your crypto assets incredibly easy. It supports over 1 million assets across 50 plus blockchain networks, which means you can store, send, receive, and swap a huge range of cryptocurrencies in one place. Whether you're using it on mobile, desktop, or via a web browser, Exodus lets you quickly swap tokens across different networks with low fees as low as 0.5%. This is especially helpful if you're looking to manage a diverse portfolio without hopping between different platforms or wallets. You can also stake various crypto assets to earn rewards, and it even has auto restaking features to help grow your holdings even more. One of the standout features is the wallet's self-custody model. This means you are always in control of your crypto. Your private keys and transaction data are encrypted and stored on your device, so no registration or account setup is required. This approach is particularly great for anyone who values security and privacy, and it eliminates the need for third-party control over your assets. You can also securely connect to Web3 applications, giving you access to decentralized finance and other decentralized apps across popular networks like Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum. This feature really helps users take full advantage of the Web3 ecosystem while keeping everything under one roof. Exodus also shines when it comes to its user interface. It's designed for people who might be new to crypto but want to engage with the space without feeling overwhelmed by tech jargon. The app's easy-to-use design hides the complexities behind the scenes, making it simple to swap, buy, and sell crypto with just a few taps. And if you run into any issues, the 24/7 customer support team is just a click away, ensuring you don't feel left in the dark. However, as great as Exodus is, it's not without its downsides. One of the main drawbacks is that the fees can add up, especially if you're making frequent swaps or using the built-in exchange for buying and selling crypto. While it's nice that Exodus offers low swap fees, the transaction costs can still be a bit higher than some other platforms, especially if you're dealing with larger volumes or more complex trades. Also, the staking rewards are an attractive feature, but they're not available for all assets, and the return rates may not be as high as those found on specialized staking platforms. Overall, Exodus is an excellent choice for people who want an all-in-one crypto wallet that prioritizes ease of use, security, and accessibility. It's a solid option whether you're just starting out in the crypto world or you're already an experienced trader. The wallet's ability to handle a vast range of assets, its self-custody model, and its straightforward design make it a great tool for anyone looking to take control of their digital wealth without the complexity of traditional crypto management.